Hi, I'm Dennis Mandragona, chef at Porter's Neck Country Club. Today we're going to make really good chocolate dipped pretzels. You will need pretzels. We have chocolate ganache, equal parts chocolate, heavy cream, a little bit of butter. We also have a tempered chocolate, which is chocolate that's just been melted and cooled. A Grate. So you take your pretzel, dip it in the chocolate, lay it on parchment paper. Or you can put them on a grate. Spoon your chocolate right over it. Let these set, room temperature, or throw them in your refrigerator for 5 minutes. You have chocolate dipped pretzels. I'm Dennis Mandragona, chef at Porter's Neck Country Club.